Hi and welcome back to All Things Defender. Just a very quick one today. After putting the LED lights in, something that I didn't actually mention in my last video is that when I put the side lights on, the side indicators there, the LEDs, now when I put the indicators on the left or the right, they both come on. And I think that is because I've taken the little incandescent light bulbs out of the side there. And I believe that alters the resistance of the circuit. So hopefully what I'm going to do is put in just a little resistor to imitate a little light bulb being in on the side, and hopefully that will correct it. So let's have a look, see if it actually works. Right, so the little resistors that I did have were 100 ohms. They didn't quite work. I did just put those in parallel across it before actually starting this video. They didn't actually work. What I actually needed was a 6 ohm 50 watt resistor, which is what this is. I have actually tried this before actually installing it. I just shorted it across the two terminals with the indicator on, and it obviously worked, otherwise I wouldn't be fitting it now. So these again, 6 ohm 50 watts. I'll put a link down below in the comments. I got them off eBay. They're about £6 I think, or something like that. But I'm just going to put these in parallel across the indicator, and that solves the problem of them all flashing at the same time. I'll also put a link into a guy on YouTube, can't think of his name whatsoever, but he explains exactly why they actually do all flash at the same time. And it is to do with the warning light, the indicator warning light, actually in the front, the way it's actually grounded to actually come on. That's why it actually does what it does. He explains it really well, so I'm not going to go through it again. I'll let you watch his. Right, before we screw it all back in, let's do a little test on it, make sure it does actually work. So I'll just plug the, oh, need to put another clip on, hold on. Right then, there's a little test. That is with the right indicator light going. Obviously that is still all flashing, all four, because I haven't done the opposite side resistor. So if I just go and switch it to the other side, they should just flash on the left-hand indicator. The right one should be off. So let's go and check that. Let's put the camera there like that so we can see. Perfect, just the left-hand indicator going. So we'll just pop the resistor in the opposite side on that one there, and hopefully both lights will work fine. Same as the other side, 6 ohm resistor, just need to go in parallel, so they're not polarity any sort of way, so it doesn't matter which one goes to which, they just need both join in up onto one each side. Right, there we go, plug it back in, we'll test it just before we screw it all back in, just in case, but I'm sure it's going to work fine. Well, it better do, the other one did. Right, there we go. Let's go and put it on, see what it does. So that's left indicator, not on, which is good. Let's check the other side. Perfect, not on, and there's obviously the side repeater's working as well. Perfect, so that concludes. I'll just screw that all back in. I don't think you need to really see me screw that one back in. So that's how you make your indicators work if you've converted everything to LEDs, including the side lights there. If you're not doing the side lights there, then you don't need to do this. It should work without the little resistors in. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Again, 90% of you that watch this channel appear not to subscribe. So grateful if you could subscribe, it does help me out. Obviously only got 200 subscribers at the moment. I'd like to see a lot more of you subscribe so we can all follow along. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.